Hello there, family friends. If you feel comfortable, Joey Jones is back on the road. Well, first let me say congratulations to all the ones that passed and obtained and had their CDL license. I told you to have faith. God is good. You know, I'm happy for you. There's a lot of these guys that are driving by themselves. There's a lot of these guys that already have their own trucks. They're already with the mentor. They're already on phase 1, phase 2. You know, I told you, it's a blessing, you know. And many had quit their jobs and many are driving right now. And you know, and like I said, if I'll make money doing this, sharing with you what I know, what it takes to get your CDL, I'll be making money. But you know, it's a blessing for me to help you. For those who don't know, containers, all these containers go on top of these chassis. You know, there's pins on here. I did a couple of videos how they pin, how to reset these pins. Right now, this pin is on open position. And then this last here, if you turn it, it's on lock position. Now this one right here, it's on lock position. So if you see it on the T angle, on the T shape, it's on lock position. Well, right now, there's a problem with my container. I already sent a message. I sent the message, I took images of it, took pictures of it. I send them on the email to my driver mat leader. And this is what I want to show you. Right now, these guys are lazy. You know, they're not doing their job when they put in these containers on the chassis. Right now, check this out. It's on lock position, but look at the container. The container sitting on the T lock. So it's wrong. It's totally wrong. So right now, just right here, it's ready to go. You know, this is on open position. So then when you turn it, it's on lock position. This is the most dangerous part about Intermodal. So then a lot of drivers take off just like this because they want to hurry up and do the loads. No, you can't. You cannot do that. This thing will tilt over. You can kill someone, hurt someone, and it's going to cost your job. So right now, I did call the front office for this yard. I call yard jockeys. They don't want to, you know, it's like, they don't want to help you, man. Sometimes you're trying to, you know, come on. Do your job and not do mine, you know, but they don't want to. These people have been here waiting 2 hours already, waiting for help. So then what I did was every time they come and help you, all they do is just take a sledgehammer. This is what they do. They take one of these bench hammers, these sledge little hammers. This is a 2.5 pound. So then what they do is they hit it here. They hit it there, and then it resets, and then all that weights, boom. If you call on road to come and help you, they are not allowed in the yard because these chassis belongs to the yard. The container belongs to us. Now, if the problem is with the container, then we can call on road. You know, but because it's for the chassis, they're not gonna come out here. I mean, and I'm still waiting for them to help me. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it myself. Be careful, okay? Be careful with this. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do it real quick. I'm gonna hit it there. I already have my tools. I have my safety glasses, my hearing earplugs. Got these from my old job, still have them. You know, and of course gloves. So we're just gonna go ahead and get this going. It's gonna go boom. All right, don't go nowhere. Okay, I have my gloves, sledgehammer, safety glasses, my hearing, my earplugs, and let's do this. See, there it is. Now you can go ahead and lock it. There it is. You put a zip tie on that one. Now this one here, it didn't come down. It's still up high. So in that case, I have to pull my tandems back. My tandems are all the way to the front. And let me get this light on. There it is. See, it's all the way to the front pin. So what I have to do is I have to move my tandems back, all the way back, in order for this to come down. To pull the tandems back, release it. There you go. The release handle's right there. It's on release position, and I just gotta move it back now. Okay, my tandems are all the way back. As you can see, when I first started, the pin was on the first one. Now it's all the way to the back. So what you do is move the tandems all the way to the back, and then you come again. See, this is on lock position. I already put a zip tie, so this won't go loose. You know, it'll go loose on the vibration, so I'm not even taking any chances. So then when I pull my tandems back, see? It's right back. So what I do is, ready to go, you see? So then, again, be careful with what you do and how you do things. You know, sometimes you gotta do things yourself. But you know, I've done it so many times that, you know, I'm ready for it. I came ready for this. You know, some people, if you see them, they trying to hit it with a piece of wood or something. You can't do that, and then that'll crush. It'll crush your fingers. You gotta just be careful, man. So you know, that's all I have for today. So don't forget to drive safe, be safe, fly safe. God bless you all. Love you all. Say hello to everyone that's watching me. God bless. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks for watching.